Meet the e-commerce management system, your complete operations hub built entirely in Notion. Start with the Business Hub, a central dashboard connecting every area of your store. Browse and manage your full catalog inside the product dashboard. Assign tasks, set priorities, and hit deadlines with built-in workflows. Track every order, from placement all the way through to fulfillment. Manage your team and hiring pipeline with the HR module. And plan your content calendar while keeping a close eye on income and expenses. 8 powerful modules: product dashboard, tasks, sales orders, delivery, HR, social media, expenses, and a general ledger, all in one workspace. No code, no complexity. Just plug in and run your entire e-commerce business from Notion. Get the template today.